Myntri ka sorkar jylla badai peit Jaka Tnat Pule Puthi Rakam Sangma mynta kasi ka Katei tarik naitung ulawan penyu kjat haka Jaka training ki Nonghikai ban pyntbit haka bayadai bat Rakam hikai kaba Laitumkhrah ka Directorate Education Research Training kaba dan Laitumkhrah Katei ka jing jong kadai shibynta ban Phylliew Jingmut haka bayadai ba rukom Jinghikai naka bynta ki Nonghikai kiba shah hikai pyntbit haka kam bat ban ka jing shakri kaba kamba
state curriculum frameworks about all this means like we have discussed only how to give how to train our how to make our teachers best for the betterment of us. All this we don't have any we don't have any official meeting as such, but we have not taken any decision, but we have just as a part of interaction as a part of consultation we have just discussed about suppose if we going to adopt the NCERT textbook, how to go about, which things to be changed, which things to be let's discuss. All things we have just said and discussed, and we have a very consultative meeting today.
Thank you, sir.